In April 2017, the Italian Transport Ministry presented its online archive, containing millions of data on Italian vehicles and drivers. But the amount and complexity of this information generated only limited media coverage when compared to their real potential. Facile.it has decided not to let the opportunity go to waste. Data alone isn't enough. What's also needed is the ability to tell a story that's simple, effective and complete. Above all, it should be surprising and useful to the company's business. To succeed in this, the PR office takes the ministry's big data and identifies the most noticeable elements, transforming them into unusual story angles that are linked to the company's core business. These are complemented by the information mined from the database by Facile.it, and at the same time, the company's analysts and IT group create a tool that can manage and process the data. This teamwork has led to the development of 10 press releases. How many over 90s are still driving on Italy's roads? Which is the region with the most women at the wheel? How many Italians have lost their license as a result of traffic violations? How many cars, private and public, don't have a valid MOT certificate, yet are being driven around with no worry? And above all, how does all this influence the cost of other drivers' car insurance? For the first time, the Italian press were offered a gift wrap package that had never been dealt with before, with such a wealth of data and background, giving Facile.it's numbers unprecedented coverage. The big data analysed by Facile.it generated a total of 4,491 press items, providing a total readership and audience of 147,470,000 readers. 234 on national and local radio, 30 on TV, 293 in the dailies and 20 front pages. The communications created by Facile.it have generated a wide-ranging debate among the public and organisations with an interest in the subject. They even managed to attract the interest of the European Association of Communication Directors, who asked Facile.it to describe their experience to the members of the association, organising and hosting a regional EACD event called Data-Driven Communications. Is it a new golden age for creativity? Over 25 communications professionals from the same number of top-level companies took part, and the conclusion was unanimous. Yes, it's a new golden age, but only if we know how to handle it, and Facile.it certainly does.